What if I told you can customize a hat, shoes, even a shirt with a laser? Today, we're pushing the limits of the xTool's P2S, see just how far it can take your apparel game. First up, hats. Think rugged, premium merch, perfect for outdoor brands, festivals, brand expos, or even Labubu themed parties. But these aren't just caps. We're laser engraving custom leather patches and then pressing them onto hats to create statement pieces people will happily pay for. Now on Etsy, these can fetch around 15 to 30 bucks each, but even more for personalized orders. That's a serious margin for something this simple to produce. All we're gonna do is place our patch in the P2S and make sure it's flat and secure. The xTool software snaps a live image so that we can position our design with perfect accuracy. We drag in our design file and drop it right where we want it to engrave. Perform any sizing adjustments. Select our material preset for leather to get the power and speed settings instantly. Hit send, and in minutes, we've got premium ready to sell goods. And here's the kicker. You could turn out a batch of 10 in under an hour easily, making them perfect for quick turn merch tables, pop-up events, or online pre-orders. Next, shoes. Custom engraved sneakers are perfect for streetwear brands, limited drops, even sports fans merch and corporate giveaways that'll actually get worn. Now, regular shoes don't command that high a price, but engrave them and suddenly you've got a conversation starter. For this shoe, we'll engrave the midsole. Let's secure it first so the laser area sits level. Always capture the live image for exact alignment of the design to the shoe surface. Drag in the graphics, size to fit, no guesswork here. Choose a material type to match engraving power with precision. One click and we're ready to create sneakers your audience has never seen before. Using industry pricing standards of $1 to $5 per engraving minute, plus durable materials, you can easily justify selling this for $50 to $100 and even higher for small theme runs. This could be the premium add-on your audience doesn't see coming. Add them to the Shopify store, collaborate with another entity in the space to create scarcity and buzz. What style shoe should we engrave next? Finally, shirts. Yes, you can laser engrave fabric, even cotton, and the result is a permanent soft wash effect you can't get with traditional printing. Perfect for festival merch, his and hers sets, high-end streetwear, or personalized gifts that look like they came from a boutique and not a bulk order site. Let's lay the cotton fabric completely flat so every detail burns evenly. Drop the file right into position, size, and ready to burn. For material selection, we are using unknown material, engrave, and the following settings. Power, between 40 to 70%. Speed, between 300 to 400 millimeters per second. Passes 1. Remember, testing is always advised before taking any jobs. And now we send the job for a one-of-a-kind wearable piece with a perfect soft wash burn effect that is permanent. Imagine having a booth at a Halloween convention, engraving designs on demand for 20, 50 bucks each. People walk away with the wearable souvenir no one else has. Laser engraving jobs can range up to 100 bucks depending on size and complexity. And since we're technically working direct to garment, our turnaround time is instant. Now, in my personal opinion, you're gonna get the very best results with thicker, heavier material. Just because the laser engraving onto fabric can sort of weaken the material's integrity, similar to how it would be if we were decorating with bleach, so testing's always gonna be advised. Is laser engraving onto fabric worth it? You be the judge. Three products, three totally different markets, all possible with the xTool's P2S CO₂ Laser. So whether you're engraving hats for unique brands, or sneakers for limited drops, or shirts for festival gear, you're not just making products. You're creating high margin, high demand pieces that your customers can't find anywhere else. And the best part? You control the creativity, the speed, and the price tag. So, what's the first thing you're gonna laser? Drop it in the comment section down below, and if you want a free in-person, live, or virtual demo on the P2S, click that link in the description for more information. We'll see you on the next one.